What is the fastest way to make money online with AI right now? The answer may be simpler than you think. Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you a simple AI money method beginners can start without being an expert. In this video, I'll show you the fastest AI money method, why it works, what service to offer, who to offer it to, and how to start today. Now let me be real. Fast does not mean guaranteed. AI will not magically make you rich overnight, but AI can help you create faster and offer services faster. The fastest path is not building a complicated website or waiting for a product to go viral. The fastest path is offering a simple AI-powered service. Services are faster because you can find one person with a problem, offer to help, and get paid for solving that problem. The formula is simple. Find a business that needs content, use AI to create the content faster, edit it, deliver it, and charge for the service. Every business needs content. They need captions, emails, product descriptions, short video scripts, ads, bios, and social media posts. So the fastest AI money method I would start with is an AI content service for small businesses. Do not try to offer everything. Pick one simple offer that is easy to understand.
Example 1. I will create 20 social media captions for your business. That is clear, simple, and useful.
Example 2. I will write 10 short video scripts for your TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. With these scripts, you'll get more views and save hours of work.
Example 3. I will rewrite 5 product descriptions for your online store. This is perfect for Etsy, Shopify, and small e-commerce sellers. If you are brand new, I would start with captions or short video scripts because businesses constantly need content for social media.
Step 1 is choosing a niche. A niche is just the type of person or business you want to help. You can help gyms, barbers, restaurants, beauty salons, real estate agents, coaches, or local service businesses. Step 2 is making sample content. Before someone pays you, they need to see what you can create. For a gym, you could create hooks like, "Stop making this squat mistake," "3 foods that help muscle growth," or "Beginner workout you can do today." For a barber, you could create hooks like 3 haircut mistakes that make you look older, or best haircut for your face shape. A simple package could be 20 captions, 10 short video ideas, 10 hooks, and 5 call to action lines. That sounds much more valuable.
Step 4 is finding businesses. Look on Instagram, TikTok, Google Maps, Facebook, Etsy, or local business websites. Look for businesses that post sometimes but not consistently, have weak captions, or have good products but boring content.
Send a simple message like, "Hey, I like your business. I noticed you post great products, but your captions could be stronger. I made 3 free content ideas for you. Want me to send them over?" Free samples help because they show value before asking for money. You are not begging. You are showing them how you can help. When you are starting, keep it simple. You could offer a small starter package, then raise your prices as you get better and collect results. Most people fail because they only play with AI tools but never offer a real service to real people. Instead, use AI to create helpful samples, message businesses, improve your offer, and stay consistent. So the fastest way to make money online with AI is not waiting for magic. It is using AI to provide a simple service that saves people time. This is Fast Money Marion. If you want more simple AI money methods like this video, subscribe and comment Fast AI if you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching Fast Money Marion. Remember, AI is only the tool. The fastest money comes when you use that tool to solve real problems for real people.